Let's talk about the future of medicine. Think about inventions in any field. For example, VOD, coffee machines, or smartphones. What do they have in common? It's not enough to have invention that works. We want it to be accessible, immediate, and personal. Now, what if I told you that medicine can work the same way? That procedures that today requires surgery, long waiting lists, and long recovery times could be solved in any clinic within a day. If you'd ask me, I'd probably tell you that it's too good to be true. But knowing what I know, not only is it true, it is closer than you think. Today, I want to introduce you to the world of personalized stem cell medicine and to the process that my company, Biogen Cell, has developed in order to bring the future of medicine to you. Our life today comes with a price. Blood vessel diseases are becoming an increasing threat, taking the lives of 1 in every 4 people. This is what our doctors warn us about. Our blood vessels are becoming progressively blocked. We don't necessarily feel the blockage until the damage is done. This is why it is called the silent killer. The woman in this picture, you may call her the classical diabetic patient, but I never called her that. I called her mom. She was 45 when she was diagnosed with diabetes, and she is a classical case of the progression of blood vessel diseases. My mom used to live big. She liked to eat, she smoked a lot, and when she was told that she has diabetes, she didn't change her lifestyle much. At first, she didn't feel worse, but when it came, it was very bad. She started to suffer from complications of diabetes, heartache, inability to walk, shortness of breath, and dialysis to filter her blood through a machine every 2 days. She went in and out of hospitals in a process that was painful for her and for our entire family. I lost her 2 years ago. But this is not the story only of my mother. Blood vessel diseases like heart diseases, stroke, dementia, several kinds of blindness, affecting 1 billion people. Many of them, like her, are overwhelmed by their diseases. Sometimes, scientific discoveries enable us to reach those whom we couldn't help before. Stem cell therapies are one of these discoveries. Take a look at this graph. It represents a study done in patients after heart attack. To the right, you can see a group of patients that got the standard care. Many of them died, and those who left felt much worse with time. On the right are patients that were treated with stem cells from their own bone marrow. Not only they survived better, but they also functioned and felt better. This is one of the studies that shows the long-term benefit of stem cells. So I need to tell you a little bit about stem cells. These are cells that exist in every one of us and are used to build and repair our tissues. These are young cells, they are full of energy, and they can become different types of cells. For example, heart muscle cells, neural cells, etc. In other words, they didn't decide yet what they want to be when they grow up. So we can, like his kids, train and direct them to a specific activity. We can have them because each of us have them in his body. But we can also have them from elderly people and very sick people. The study I told you about, like many other studies in the field, obtain the cells by drilling into the bone. This is problematic. It is painful, it is expensive, and it can only be done in operating rooms in hospitals. Now remember, these patients are already overwhelmed by their diseases. So we figured out that it must be a better way to obtain the cells and to create a patient-friendly product, as simple as a blood test. Now, we want our product to be immediate, and we want it to have one-time treatment in order to have enough natural bypasses that will refeed the tissue, the damaged tissue, with blood. There is an issue here. Blood is the poorest source of stem cells. So we had to find ways to overcome this problem, and we did. Let me take you through it. We take a blood sample. From it, we first isolate only immune cells, and we train them to instruct stem cells what to do. Then we select the stem cells. And next, we combine them together, enabling the immune cells to tell the stem cells what to do and how to become therapeutic cells. They, in turn, create new blood vessels in a damaged tissue. This whole thing takes a day, and we wrap the cells in 3 little syringes that are sent to the doctor, ready for use. From the many diseases we could try these cells on, we chose to start with a disease named critical limb ischemia. It's a typical blood vessel disease, and the blockage in this disease is usually in the leg. These people lost already their ability to walk, they are in constant pain, and they are about to lose their leg. We want to offer them treatment directly to the damaged leg that will prevent amputation, restore their function, and enable them to have better quality of life. So in order to prove the concept that our cells knows what to do, we took them to an animal study in mice. We had 2 groups in this study, a control group and stem cell therapy group. These mice do not get blood supply to one of their legs, and you can see it as a black leg. 2 weeks later, we tested the animals after we treated them the same way we are going to treat our patients. In the control, nothing happened. The leg continues to be black. But in the treated group, we can see that the leg gained its color back. This means that the treatment worked. And since this is mimicking the disease, it means that the disease is no longer here. So together with my colleagues at the Laniado Hospital, we are about to start the clinical study in these patients. And once we will prove it is safe and effective, we can continue to all vascular diseases, addressing 1 billion people who need our technology. Now we can have the treatment even today. But in order to make it accessible and affordable, we need to transform it into a fully automated benchtop machine that will be located in any clinic. It is just like the coffee machine. You put the milk, you choose your capsule, you press the button, and you get your own coffee. In our machine, you will put the blood, you will add a disposable cassette kit, you will press the button, and you will get a cure. Ready to use, fitted specifically for your patient needs. So this is the practical solution we work so hard to achieve. A treatment of the regenerative cells that is done from the patient's own blood within a day. A treatment which is safe, effective, easy to manufacture, and friendly to both patients and doctors. It is my wish that we will bring the promise of stem cells to everyone around the globe. And remember, you are your own cure. We are simply here to help with the process. Thank you.